NinjaTrader is equipped with over 100 free pre-built indicators to aid in your technical analysis of the markets. Indicators can be applied to NinjaTrader charts, the Superdome, and the Market Analyzer. Trend lines are lines drawn on a price chart indicating the general direction within a selected time frame. Normally, trend lines are manually drawn using a line, ray, or polygon drawing tool. Introduced in 2019, NinjaTrader's Trend Lines indicator draws them automatically. This helps save time and filter through price action to identify current and past trends. You can add the Trend Lines indicator to any NinjaTrader chart in just a few simple steps. Within your chart window, right-click and select Indicators. Select Trend Lines from the list in the upper left-hand selection, then click Add. Configure the parameters on the right, such as the number of lines displayed, as well as the color, thickness, and style of the lines. Once your parameters are configured, click OK. You can see on this chart the current trend is indicated by an opaque blue line. This is a trend high, since it is based on a previous swing high, followed by a lower high point. The inverse is true for a trend low. Depending on the number of trend lines you specify, previous trends may be shown but not as prominent scrolling back in time on the chart. To modify the parameters of the Trend Lines indicator, right-click and select Indicators to return to the indicator's configuration window. For instance, you can set this indicator to trigger an alert sound when a trend line is broken. We hope this video provided you with some ideas for incorporating the Trend Lines indicator into your technical analysis. Interested in learning more about all the free trading tools offered by NinjaTrader? Download NinjaTrader today to get a free market data demo.